What an incredible opening number! A huge round of applause to our 7 phenomenal candidates for Binibining Linggo ng Kabataan. And for that, we would like to extend our sincerest gratitude to our official choreographer and a pageant director, Dr. Victor Michael Q. Balisia. Yan. Thank you so much, sir. At opening number pa lang po yan, meron ng may mga napitak na ang mga lalamunan. And at this juncture, it is my great pleasure to introduce one of our designated barangay kagawad that will be sharing a unifying message of inspiration. He has been a steadfast advocate for our youth and an influential voice in our community.